Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make paper bricks. This easy guide will help you transform everyday waste paper into useful, eco-friendly fuel or building material. First, gather your essential materials: old newspapers, cardboard or junk mail, a large bucket, and a strong mixing tool. You'll also need a brick mold, which can be homemade or purchased, and a flat surface for drying. Begin by tearing or shredding your paper into small, manageable pieces. This helps it absorb water more quickly and efficiently. Once your paper is shredded, it's time for the soaking and pulping stage. Submerge all the paper completely in water within your large bucket. Let it soak for at least 24 hours or even longer for thicker materials to ensure it's thoroughly saturated. After soaking, vigorously mix the paper and water to break it down into a consistent pulp. A drill with a paint mixer attachment is incredibly effective for this, turning the paper into a smooth, thick slurry much faster than manual mixing. Now that you have a good pulp, it's time to form your bricks. Take handfuls of the pulp and squeeze out as much excess water as possible. The pulp should be damp, like a wrung-out sponge, but not dripping wet. Firmly press this damp pulp into your brick mold, ensuring you pack it down very tightly to create a dense, solid brick. Overfill the mold slightly, then use a flat tool or your hand to level the top, compacting it further for maximum density. Finally, it's time for drying and curing your newly formed paper bricks. Carefully remove each brick from its mold and place it on a flat, well-ventilated surface. Air drying is crucial, and this process can take several weeks, depending on humidity and brick thickness. Ensure good air circulation around all sides of the bricks. Rotate them periodically, perhaps every few days, to promote even drying and prevent any warping or mildew growth, resulting in strong, usable paper bricks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.